All right, welcome back this week. This is season 2, episode 5. My name is Gaston Rossato.
And I'm Renzo Rossato. Join us as we're going to review this 1978 Datsun 280Z.
That's right, but not any 280Z, guys. This is the meanest, perhaps the best in the world, a restomod that has gone through a complete restoration, tons of mods, tons of money into it. We're gonna talk about what goes into that exactly to build a car like this. First, let's go for a drive so we can understand what this car is all about.
That's right, and before that, hit that subscribe button for us. Let's go check this thing out.
Do it. First impression of the car. Finally getting this thing on the road. We've seen it so many times at shows.
I know.
And we're finally driving it. Very exciting.
I'm very, very excited to drive this car.
Javi, thank you.
Yes.
Guys, link down below for Javi. He's the owner of this car. He's gone on and beyond. Absolutely phenomenal guy. Beautiful car. You make Miami car culture proud, buddy.
Yes.
Oh my God, that noise.
Yeah, it sounds amazing.
Now it's important to understand, I love the story about this car and Javi. The car only has what, a little over, it's like in the 50,000 range, 58,000 miles, extremely low mileage car still. First owner only used it as basically a weekend car.
Wow, this thing is great.
That guy even wants the car back now.
I don't blame him for wanting it back. Wow. This is great.
It was a solid car to begin with. That's why Javi bought it. It didn't have rust. It was garage kept. It was not used out in the winters. So very solid body.
This little steering wheel is great. It feels like a golf cart almost.
You know, we're sitting on an adjustable coilover suspension. Aftermarket wheels, tires, and it's smooth.
It's really smooth.
You know, it's dialed in properly. The car rides well.
So we have a police officer behind us. The 78. Yeah. How fast are you?
Yeah, let's do it.
Ready? 1, 2. E-brake is on, okay?
Go.
Switch. Okay. Let's roll.
Oh wow, this is fun.
It's a lot of fun.
This is nice.
That's great.
This clutch and this transmission, and the gearbox is butter.
It's butter. It's easy.
My God. That's fun. I love this car.
Yeah, me
I
too.
really like this car. All right, back to home base here with Martin Miami at the Collection Suites, where our nicest inventory is kept.
That's right. We should probably tell Javi that we're going to keep the car for a couple weeks.
I think we're gonna keep it here, host a couple of some other events.
All right, guys, so let's review this 1978 Datsun 280Z and what makes this one so special and look so good.
Let's give it a little walk around, because the more you start looking, the more you realize how many details are actually in this build, and you start to understand the true work that went behind it.
Yes.
The craftsmanship is unbelievable. So let's kind of take it step by step and go through it.
Yeah, so let's start off with the body kit. The body kit is what I think makes this car ultimately with that wide body. It just looks amazing. The body kit is a Pandem Rocket Bunny, designed by Miura. He's out in Tokyo. He's been very famous in the last couple of years and growing popularity with these import cars and getting these body kits on them.
No, it looks gorgeous, and just the wheel combo, the tire combo, the stance, along with the fender cutout.
When it's rolling, it just gives it that feeling that
The car
of a
is
race car.
so
It's
aggressive,
amazing.
so aggressive.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. All right, let's take a closer look down here at these wheels because they're absolutely insane. Done by Work Meister, custom made deep dish. I think it's the perfect combination.
It definitely is, and it's wrapped in the Nitto 555 tires. And it's funny because the owner told us that he waited 5 months for these rims to come in. They were custom made. So not only is this an expensive build, this is a time-consuming build.
It's ongoing.
Yeah.
I know he's continuously putting work and detail into the car, so.
And it shows.
And
it
it
shows.
absolutely.
So great job, Javi. Awesome.
You could put a body kit, you could put tires, you could
Yeah.
put wheels, but if you don't have the right stance,
Exactly.
you're not gonna have the configuration that just gives you the wow factor. And this car is sitting on BC extreme low coilovers.
We move forward into the front of the car, we're gonna notice these rear view mirrors placed on the fenders. That was actually special ordered from Malaysia.
I like how he updated the headlights, right?
Yeah.
It's an older car with modern day headlights. These are damper lighting projector headlights. So it gives it a modern touch. I'm sure it lights up a lot better. It adds a safety factor to it, and it just looks really cool.
It looks nice. The owner did tell us that originally this car, when it rolled out of factory, was black.
And we do know that it was then resprayed to a black lilac purple when Javi bought the car. And now
It's this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Lamborghini Rosso Mars. And I love the name of that paint, the color. It's red, but Lamborghini Rosso Mars just sounds so badass, and it goes so well with the car as well.
Yeah.
You know, that red with the black interior and the black wheels just really makes it pop.
it's classic. All right, Renzo, so we took a look at the car aesthetically outside.
Right.
Pop the hood, let's go see what's inside, what this thing is really made of.
Let's do it. All right, let's give our viewers a look at the heart of this car.
Javi is an extremely meticulous individual, we know that. So we can see that consistency here and throughout the entire car, of course. The engine is a 2.8 liter inline six single overhead cam, okay? It's the original motor to the car. Javi has upgraded the radiator. It's a high performance aluminum with dual electro fan, keeping the car extremely cool. It has an electronic fuel pump, and it's also a fuel injected car, of course. Cold air intake in the front, very nicely done.
Yeah, it looks really nice, badass. Looks
Giving
really
it a
cool.
little high performance, giving it some power, full exhaust. The headers are wrapped, MSD ignition, a lot of nice touches that make the car more drivable, more reliable. Factory horsepower about 170. It's estimated right now around 190-ish due to those upgrades. All right, guys, this wraps it up for this video. What an amazing car. Javi has gone on and beyond. He's given it some provenance that is just unbelievable. You know, buying it from the first owner, going through a full ground up restoration, restoring the car, and then modifying it to his taste, making it a true tuner. Tons of money in this.
How much money do you think it would take to build this kind of car?
You want to buy the donor car, you got to go through the restoration process and then all the upgrades and do quality work. You're talking about $100,000.
$100,000, that's
huge.
pretty crazy.
That's huge. That's a lot of money for a car like this. Nissan has shouted him out on Instagram. The car has won tons of awards, a bunch of different shows.
It's
all
a
over
head
the
turner
place.
in any show I go to.
All right, so you can find Javi's information at the link down below in the description. We'll put everything there for you.
That's right, and I hope you guys enjoyed this week's review on the 1978 280Z, and I think the baddest 1978 280Z in the world at the moment. I'm Renzo Rossato.
I'm Gaston Rossato. You can follow me here, guys. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it. We hope you enjoyed it. Catch us next week for another great car.
Peace out.